This evening we had the ribbon cutting ceremony, the grand reopening of our Science Academy gym, affectionately known as the Dragon's Den. Our gym floors were renovated, and this evening we presented that to our entire Dragon community. It was actually Parents' Night, so we have our girls volleyball teams followed by our boys volleyball teams playing this evening. So it was really great to bring in our parents and our school community together for this event. Science Academy initiated choir and band programs for this school year. So this evening was just really extra special in that we were able to have the first performance of our Vox Draconis choir and our Dragon Forge drumline. So it was really great to incorporate these new extracurricular fine arts activities into tonight's ceremony. But it's really great to just have so many outlets for our students. Athletics over the last 5 years has just grown tremendously. Our kids, our entire community has embraced it. Our students love it. Our parents love it. It's just really been great for our school culture, and it's just doing tremendous things.